Hey guys, today I want to share with you my power backup setup for when there's a power outage. I've been using a car battery as my backup and I can really say it's durable because this battery that you're seeing right now has been with me since 2019. Not just the battery but also the inverter and the battery charger, and all of them are still working perfectly. Now let me be honest, this setup is heavy and not portable compared to other power backups, but among all of the options I've tried, this one worked best for me. Before this, I actually had a generator that ran on gas, but it was super noisy, and the smell of the smoke was just so annoying. I also tried using a power station, but it couldn't even last for more than 2 hours, which wasn't enough for me. So out of everything I've tested, this car battery setup is the most reliable, and I'll show you how easy it is to use. This is a Dyna Power battery and I bought it from a local shop in my city for around 5,000 pesos if I remember correctly. Now for the inverter, this is a Bosca 1500 watts inverter and I bought this from Shopee. And if you want to get the same one, I'll leave the link in the comment section. Now, if you're wondering why you even need an inverter, here's why. A car battery produces DC power or direct current, but most of our appliances and devices run on AC power or alternating current. The inverter converts DC to AC, making it possible for us to use the battery to power things like our internet modem, laptop, charged cell phones, and whatnot. Now let's take a closer look at this inverter. Here we have the power button, which you press to turn the inverter on and off. There's also a USB port here, which is great if you want to charge your phone or any device that connects via USB. This part here is the AC output socket where you'll plug in your extension wire or any appliance you want to use. And on the other side, we have the input terminals. This is where we connect the inverter to the battery. Red is for positive, black and blue is for negative. And then we also have this cooling fan at the back. This automatically turns on while the inverter is in use to prevent it from overheating. Now let me show you how to connect everything. First, you need to connect the inverter cables to the battery terminals. Red goes to red, which is positive. Blue or black goes to blue or black, which is negative. You'll also see the positive and negative symbols embedded on the battery, so make sure to match them correctly. Once that's connected, you can now plug in your extension wire into the AC socket of the inverter. After that, just turn on the power button, and that's it, you're ready to use it. Now you might be wondering how long this lasts. I mainly use this to power my internet modem, and the longest I've used it non-stop was over 8 hours. And during that time, I was also able to charge my phone and laptop twice, and my battery still wasn't low. I actually have two of these setups so that when there's a power outage, I can still keep my internet running, I can charge my phone and my laptop, and I can also use my electric fan. Yes, I use this to power my electric fan. Now, once the battery runs low, you'll need to charge it. To make charging easier, I bought a car battery charger, and the link is also in the comment section. This is plug and play, so no need to assemble anything. To charge, just do the same thing. Connect red to positive and black to negative. Plug it into a socket, and it will start charging automatically. This charger also has an LED display, so if you want to check how much power is left in your battery, just connect the terminals and it will show you the status. So that's it for today's video. I hope this was helpful, especially for those of you looking for a simple and reliable power backup setup. Again, this isn't the most portable option, but for me, it's the best because it lasts longer than a power station and doesn't have the noise and smoke of a gas generator. If you have any questions, feel free to message me and I'll try my best to answer them. Thanks for watching. Ingat!